So 1 month ago, I asked y'all to share a video, and for every share it got, I would donate a home-cooked meal to the community fridge here in Baton Rouge. That video got 139 shares. Since then, my donation videos have received almost 8,000 shares, so we've decided to turn this into a goal of 50 meals every weekend for the next calendar year, and hopefully beyond. This week, I wanted to change it up from our usual massive batches of pasta or carnitas and do something specifically for people out there suffering from withdrawals. So we did Greek yogurt parfaits with gluten and nut-free granola, berries, and a homemade blackberry lime sauce. It's a perfect grab-and-go meal loaded with probiotics, fiber, and antioxidants to fight nausea and dehydration. It's still super hot here in Louisiana, so hopefully these provided some refreshing relief. Please continue sharing and engaging to help us spread awareness so we can turn this into a nationwide initiative. And be on the lookout for next week's video because it's officially comfort food season. Huge thanks to Misfit Market for providing the groceries for this week's donation. But keep doing your thing in the comments because it was only a one-time thing.